Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful creative art of recycled bottles. As we've shown before you. Okay, so this is the trash into treasure. You can make it trash into treasure and you can grow your business as well, and you can take relaxation from this craft. How? But how? What is the question in your mind? Because every year many bottles trash in the ocean and planet, our planet. It's really unhealthy for our planet. So I gonna give you advice. What is that? So you can make a masterpiece of centerpiece and make a story of that. Make a reel about it. People wants to buy a story. Make a reel about it and post on social media, upload on social media. If your story is powerful and your product is powerful, everybody loves that. Everybody wants to buy, and this is the season. This is the season of third semester and upcoming season X Max and New Year, and everybody enjoyed and everybody very welcoming, giving. So it's not about giving, it's all about make a set in the season. How can you do that? You can do that with old jars, mason jars, and old bottles. You can grow with these. You can grow these business with your mind. If your mind is powerful, if your mind is healthy, you will definitely do that. You will definitely do that. You can willing of do that. Make trash into treasure. Make extraordinary something extraordinary, and you can make it. If you watch this video, if you are interested in this video, so you will definitely watch that. So you can make what will you make by old bottles? You can make old jars. You can make candle holder, pen holder, pencil holder, many more like that. So if you want to watch more designs like this, more ideas like this, we will definitely share with you. We will share with you. A good thing, a best thing is that these are very beautiful designs. So suppose if you have one trash bottle, what will you do? Throw away? Don't throw away. Take it and make some color on it. Everybody has colors, kids has colors. Try something new. So you can do embellishment with it. Some embellished design is gonna powerful for it. Is gonna be powered of it. So take a waste bottle and make some color. Add some beads, make some wrap with jute, wrap with silk, and wrap with acrylic color. I mean to say, color on them. And gold, silver, metallic, whatever you have. So, color on it. After that, what will you do? Then wrap some jute rope on a neck, and after that you have to do that. After that, make some beads, make some tie on it, and add some glitter beads, glitter old fabric. If you have old fabric, wrap with it, add some glues, add some. So mixture of these things, and it depends on you how you choose the color and what you choose color and what will you make with it. So as we shown you in this video, these are very impressive and embellished design for upcoming festival season, for upcoming New Year season. In one video we give you many designs. So what do you think? What are you waiting for? keep crafting, keep smiling, and keep going for the craft. And make your asset, make your product, and make your product also eco-friendly with burlap art. You can make burlap craft with it,